Hello from the Saint Regis in Bangkok, Thailand. Look at this view that's behind me. Can you see the polo fields? They are so nice. What a great, I think that's the golf course. I've been staying at this hotel now. I've been to so many hotels here in Bangkok, Thailand, and the Saint Regis is perhaps my absolute favorite. I'm gonna show you my room. I'm gonna show you so many things in this video. The pool, I'll show you a secret area at the spa that all guests have access to. I'm gonna show you the breakfast buffet. I'll show you more of this lobby. Stay with me, let's go explore. I'll start you off in the lobby here and show you where you're gonna check in. Let's go now. The main lobby is downstairs off street level, but you're gonna come in these elevators and go right over here to the check-in. Now the breakfast is over here, and stay with me because I'm gonna show you the amazing buffet that's available, especially if you have status on Bonvoy. Look at this cute teddy bear that's back there. I really like that. That's a great photo opportunity. Now, upstairs is the Astor Court. You're gonna be able to go up there for meetings and conferences and things like that. But this is where you're gonna check in. So your check-in area is right over here. Hey, my name is Nick Ray. I make these videos at luxury hotels all around the world just for fun, and I'm gonna show you my favorite spots here at the Saint Regis. Let's go see my room right now, but I'm gonna change shirts first. All right, room tour, 1816 on the 18th floor at the Saint Regis. Already, I love this hotel, if only because of the enormous bathtub. I'm gonna show you some neat things in here that the concierge or the butler pointed out to me. First of all, if you are planning to do a little work in this hotel room, you're in luck because there's a very nice desk work area over here. Let's start over at the coffee area. I love to see the coffee. We only have 2 coffee pods, which I think is kind of interesting, and I wish there were more, but there's a good selection of tea, so that's nice. Down here, we have the mini bar. You can probably guess how this is gonna go. Here's the mini bar. I think I'm one of the only people on YouTube that shows the mini bar. I personally never use it, but folks always ask me, what is inside the mini bar and all the different snacks? So I'm showing you all the snacks that are here. If you like this video, will you give me a like, by the way? I make these videos for fun, just to show people all these hotels. I'm paying for my own room. This is not sponsored or anything. All right, let's look over here. Now, we do not have Ethernet because the whole hotel is wireless. By the way, here's a secret that I'm gonna tell you. You actually don't want a park-looking view because there's construction that you will get right now, as I'm recording this, the end of July of 2023, there's a lot of construction that happens every morning starting at 8 a.m. If you have the city view, you will not be subjected to as much construction noise in the morning. That, by the way, is the Anantara, which, fun fact, is owned by the same company that owns this Saint Regis Hotel called Minor. All right, what else can I show you? No Ethernet ports, but you can see some power plugs over here. There's a VGA, which I guess goes over. I thought this was neat. I've stayed at several St. Regis's, but not really seen this before. Do other St. Regis's have this stuff? Tell me if I've just been missing it. I love all the folio and things over here. Nice snacks, welcome complimentary snacks for me, which I thought was nice. Anybody will get this, however. So what else? USB ports. It's something that we always check in all of my hotel review videos. We have 2 as part of this device. Now, I stayed at a different Marriott last night, and it had the same device with those things. So that's nice. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Straightforward area with the bed. I want to tell you something else. They have a pillow menu. If you didn't know already, there's a pillow menu here with 9 different types of pillows. So you can request all of those pillows. I requested a buckwheat pillow, which is my favorite. Let's go back and I'm gonna show you, I'll come to the bathroom in a second. Let's look at the closet. Now, if you know St. Regis, you know that they will do 2 free pressings for you. You can put your pressings over there. There's the safe. Here is the bathrobe. I thought it was interesting that there's only one bathrobe. My guess is, like the other St. Regis, the other will be in, oh, look at that. What is that up there? My guess is that the other bathrobe will be in the bathroom. That's where it usually is. Over in this closet, we have a luggage little thing, and that's about it. I would kind of expect a few more hangers, but oh well. The welcome area with a nice umbrella. Thank you for that. All right, let's go over to the bathroom now. Into the bathroom. Yes, I knew it. I knew it that it was going to be here. All right, very nice shower. as well as, ooh, my goodness, one of my favorite shower heads, the rain ones, as well as this, the bath products. People also ask me about the bath products, so I'll show you these. Here are the bath products. I'm gonna show you what else is around here. Now, the third thing that people always ask me about is the amenity kit. So I'm showing it to you. This is the amenity kit, as they have here. It's nice, actually. And there's the hairdryer. Have you seen these plugs in a pull-out drawer before? I like that, which is very cool. Some more bath products over here. 2 more free waters, which I'm thankful of in Thailand. It appears that this closes. So if I wanted the privacy, I could close this and really wall off the bathroom, which is nice. That additional door will close, and I'm guessing it pulls over. The bathtub. Now, something that the butler told me when I was checking in is that the bathtub, they will draw the bath for you and make you a soapy bath at any time, so you can send the butler to do that. I think I might do it. Last but not least, I will show you the toilet, because some people ask me about that. It's just a basic toilet, but I do appreciate the nighttime lighting that they have over here, and then you can see the Thai standard little shower hose thing. All right, this concludes our tour of the room. I'm very impressed. After staying several nights in non-Saint Regis hotels, I'm excited. Next up, we're gonna see the gym. I'm gonna take you to the lobby. We'll explore some of those things. Let's go look around and explore the Saint Regis here in Bangkok, Thailand. A very quick shout out here for my book. Look this up on Amazon. Just check out the reviews. This is a very easy book to read that talks about how to host an event. You might think that you know how to host a party. Think about like a children's birthday party, or just a party for your neighbors, or a cocktail party, or a networking event. But I promise you, I've hosted hundreds of events, and I wrote down every single thing that I learned in this book. It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. Just look it up on Amazon. Just look at the reviews. This is what I do full time. I do these hotel videos for fun. Okay, back to the Saint Regis. Okay, I'm out here in the rain right now just to show you the pool because it looks so nice. Hold on, let me show you this. This is the pool. I'm walking over to show you the gym, but the pool is really nice. I've been to a lot of pools here at hotels in Bangkok, and I really like this one. I'm excited to actually come and swim laps here. It's raining right now, but it looks out over to the golf course, which is so cool. This guy's swimming, so I'll give him some privacy. But I'm walking along here. Really nice. I mean, you absolutely have to come out here because this is that view that my friend Adam was telling me, looking out onto the course. This is the view that if you get a park overlook, by the way, there's the BTS right down there. Excellently convenient location. Really nice looking out to the BTS view. Woo! Here's that pool. Holy smokes, are you kidding me? How nice is this? Really nice. Okay, we're gonna go back. I'm gonna take you to go and walk with me to find the gym. I saw it right this way. There was some good art that is out here, which I'm gonna peek out. I used to have a company that worked with museums, and so I'm just gonna show you. I like these sculptures personally. I think those are very cool. I saw over this way a little hot tub, I think. And so I'll point that out. Look at it right over there. There's where the guys. I'm gonna give him the privacy, so I'm not gonna go. Okay, we're inside. This is the spa area. The gym is located right back here. Okay, we're going in the gym now. Oh God, I'm dropping all my stuff. Welcome to the gym. And does anybody notice that this is a boxing thing? Hello. I just want to see this. This is so cool. I've never seen this before. How nice is that? Okay, as we look at the gym, will they have a Peloton machine? No, I don't see one. I see 2 ellipticals, 2 bikes, many weight equipments. Oh, this is nice. They've got some good, wow. They have one of these runners, which if you're an athlete, wow, They also have a rowing machine, which I'm very excited about. 3 more treadmills, a special runner. I've been to a lot of gyms. I don't know what that is. If you know, please let me know in the comments. I see a Smith machine back there. A lot of free weights. I'm very excited about these weights. This is an excellent gym. I have to say, of the hotels that I've been to in Bangkok, this is among probably the best gyms that I've seen. So I'm very excited about that. These guys are working out, so I'm gonna give them their privacy, but I also wanna show you which gym equipment they have. Let's go try to walk now. So I will take you to the spa, because supposedly the spa also has a cold plunge and a hot tub, which all the guests are allowed to use. Let me go and find that now. So this is now my new favorite hotel because of what I'm about to show you behind. I'm in the men's room right now. There's also a similar women's setup. This is a hot tub and a cold plunge. And then right over here is some sort of a water rock walking thing. Let me show you the hot tub and the cold plunge. Oh my gosh, this room, first of all, the noise of the waterfall, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna tell you, this is the cold plunge. That is the hot tub. There are lounge areas here, and see these floating pods? I will take you up there. Most people do not know about this. And I'm telling you on this video, tell me if you find another Saint Regis video that shows this. Would you give me a like or leave me a comment just to say hello? Seriously, I make these videos, they're not sponsored. I'm just trying to show you the cool stuff to enjoy these great hotels all around the world. I'm telling you, the Saint Regis in Bangkok is my new favorite hotel. At least here in Bangkok, I'm sorry. It's my new favorite hotel here in Bangkok. Actually, I'm gonna take a break right now so I can drink some of this water. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna try this out. Be right back. Well, good morning. I got a new shirt. I'm gonna show you the breakfast buffet because the breakfast setup here is very nice. Let's look at this view. The view before I go into the breakfast area, there was a huge rainstorm last night. This is really nice. Anyhow, I'm down on the main lobby. This is where you check in, and I want to show you what's for breakfast today. Because if you're Marriott on Bonvoy, then maybe you get free breakfast like I do, and I always want to know what's there. Here's what's there. So, inside, we can see, oh my Lord, there are some excellent selections here. This is the fruit area. When I'm eating and traveling, I like to have fruit first. I really like to do my fruit first thing in the morning. I see some salmon, a charcuterie plate over here, which is nice. Let me keep going. I'm gonna snip around here. Now, the time today is 9:15 in the morning. Oh, by the way, that was the longevity breakfast corner. But here is the big thing that everybody is here for, the huge, enormous buffet. What is this? This is all a dessert area. Look at this, the cage-free eggs, the chef station. They're picking up with everything. I see the noodles over here. I see some more fruits. I see eggs that they'll make. I'm sure there's an omelet station. Let's just peek over here to see if there's anything else. No, this is additional seating area. So I'm gonna lift it up just to show you a little bit more of what is inside the breakfast area. Wow, what is this one? I'm guessing this is Thai coffee. This is where they're probably gonna make your Thai coffee. Wow, there's also a fresh juice area here. They'll make fresh juice, which is so cool. Wow, I can't wait to eat. Oh, and there's some quiche. Now, the time that I'm here, it is Sunday morning at 9:15, and I'm gonna tell you that it filled up in the main room. Even so early, at 9:15, it filled up, but still neat. I'm gonna sit right out here. This is my table. and I'm gonna get started on my breakfast. Well, that's a wrap. I'm down here back at the breakfast buffet area. The storm clouds are coming in. I filmed this in July, late July of 2023. And I can say now confidently that the Saint Regis, of all the Marriott properties, I love this one. Look at my other video from the Saint Regis in Mexico City if you also love Saint Regis's. Thank you so much. Will you give me a like or leave me a comment? Let me know when you're gonna come here, and I'll try to give some more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great trip to the Saint Regis in Bangkok, Thailand.